Here's a crazy fact. Some used cars regularly hit 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers without engine failure, while others struggle to survive half of that. So today, we are revealing the used cars that quietly outlast almost everything else on the road. For most people, buying a used car isn't about luxury, it's about reliability. You want a car that saves money, lasts years, and doesn't turn into a repair nightmare. Today, we are breaking down the most reliable used cars for buyers who care about value and longevity. Buying a used car is harder than it looks. Every car looks good in photos, sellers promise engine is perfect, reviews online often contradict each other. And one wrong decision can cost more than the car itself. Some cars fail due to weak transmissions. Others suffer from electrical problems or expensive spare parts. The real challenge is this: white right pointing backhand index. How do you know which cars stay reliable even after years of use? The answer lies in long-term data, cars that consistently show low repair frequency, affordable maintenance, high owner satisfaction, proven engines used across multiple generations. When you study long-term reliability records, a pattern appears. Certain brands dominate: Toyota, simple overbuilt engineering; Honda, efficient engines with long lifespans; Lexus, luxury cars with Toyota reliability underneath. These cars aren't just reliable when new, they remain dependable after 10, 15, even 20 years, which is exactly what used car buyers need. After comparing repair data, owner reports, and average lifespan, here are the top 3 most reliable used cars. White down pointing backhand index. Bronze medal Honda Accord, known for strong engines and smooth performance, low maintenance costs, and excellent long-term durability. Many owners report well over 300,000 kilometers with basic care. Silver medal Toyota Corolla, one of the most reliable cars ever built. Cheap to maintain, fuel efficient, and extremely durable. It survives rough use better than most cars in its class. Gold medal Toyota Camry, the gold standard of used car reliability. Comfortable, dependable, and famous for lasting decades. Mechanics trust it, owners love it, and it consistently ranks at the top for longevity. This is why the Camry is often called the safest used car choice in the world. So if your goal is fewer breakdowns, lower repair bills, and long-term peace of mind, these 3 cars clearly stand above the rest. Choosing a reliable used car isn't just smart, it's financially powerful. Now I want to hear from you. White down pointing backhand index. What is the most reliable used car you've ever owned? Or the worst one? Drop your experience in the comments, and check out my next video on simple car maintenance tips that extend engine life.